Everybody is asking, is Dublin market going down? Should I wait to sell or should I wait to buy? The story is a lot more interesting. In this episode of How is the Market, we will cover trends, insights, some tips and tricks. You have to stay with me through the end. I would share some tip for buyer and seller that will help you make a smarter decision that could save you thousands in dollars and reduce the risk of making a wrong decision, which could be very hard to, to change or recover from. I'm your local realtor Dinesh Singh, bringing to you this edition of How is the Market for May 2026. Before we move forward, please hit subscribe button and reach out to me on the number given below. If you or somebody who you know is looking for upgrading the home or selling the home for highest possible dollar in minimum possible time. The broader trend in real estate market is impacted by the rising interest rate. Slowly the rates have shot up beyond 6.5%, and that has a perceptible impact on the real estate market in Dublin. That is the first major factor to impact. The second factor is the level of inventory. That means we have many more homes to buy than what we have seen in recent years. As I record this video, there are 68 single family homes in market. 17 are coming soon. The upcoming chairman of Federal Reserve, Kevin Walsh, is going to take office on 22nd May. The wider anticipation is the effort would be on to reduce the rate or the cost of borrowing money credit. That will have probably a direct impact, hopefully positive, on the real estate market for both buyers and sellers. And the global issues which are related to a war in Middle East, the outcome or the length of the war has a direct impact on real estate market, housing market in Dublin. Now let's go through the numbers and data, what it tells us. This is the last month's data. The market was more favorable for sellers. There were fewer homes, more buyers, and sellers could extract higher dollars for their listing. As you could see, it has moved more toward buyers territory, or I'll say it's a less multiple bidding seller frenzy market in April 2026. To remind the audience, the data only belongs to single family homes. I would probably do a separate session for composite market, single family home and condo townhome, or probably one dedicated to attached living, which is condos, townhomes, duet for Dublin. This is only for detached home. For the month of April, the closing data for this episode, the inventory level has gone down. It's a 2.4 month inventory. What it tells, the current inventory could be liquidated in 2.4 months. It's certainly around 8% down. The sold to list price ratio is over around 100%. That means the sellers are getting full price for their listing. The another way to interpret this data is listing agents and sellers are more realistic in pricing their home. And if priced well, marketed well, and home is in good condition, homes are going off market in contract rather rapidly within 7 days. That's the median days. The average price, rather the median price, is $1.5 million. This is gone down by 4.75%. That means the higher priced homes are typically in Tasahara Hills, Dublin Ranch community. They may not there may not be significant representation for those homes in this data. Another thing to notice is that the new construction home, such as Trumark Azure, Marigold, Orchid, or Risewell homes, many a time they do not find their way on MLS. Many homes sell without ever entering the MLS. So the number of available homes to buy could be much larger than what is shown here in this episode. For Dublin single family home, the median value is around $1.6 million, even though it has incrementally shot up month over month, but it's a significant reduction from over year, around 5%. Housing inventory is an interesting stat to look at that may help you prepare making decision about when to list your home for sale. There is 2.4 months of inventory right now, although it's gone down month over month, but it's significantly up for a year ago, around 13%. That means the interest rate lock effect during COVID time, that's in the rear view mirror. And many sellers have come to realization that they cannot make their future decision looking at the rate lock. They are looking at their family, they are looking at their situation, and many families have younger kids and they want to enjoy a larger home, they want to upgrade before their kids reach high school age or they are closer to move out to college. That's playing a major role in families decisions to upgrade and sell. That's what I am observing in my clientele universe. This is the sold homes data. It's important data if you are listing your home for sale, or if you are planning to upgrade to a bigger home and you plan to put your finances in order. I will start from right because that's the most important data. $736 per square feet. That's the price for single family home. So if you are bidding for a home that has larger or smaller than this number, you get a sense how the home is valued. There are multiple factors before valuing a home for sale. It could be neighborhood home sold data, which runs the comparables, the upgrades, the maintenance, deferred maintenance, the orientation, how many other similar homes are available for sale at that given point of time. For you to make a smarter decision and align with somebody who has helped many families like you can reach out to me on the information given below, and I would be very happy to engage with you and your family and help you make the best decision. 26 properties were sold in April. Uh, there is a rise by close to 8% month over month. The sold to list price is around 100%. That means sellers are getting close to full value for their listing price. This chart shows you the historic progression of number of homes sold. There is some seasonality during the winter months like December and January. The number of homes sold goes down tremendously, and spring and summer, that's when more homes are in market. At the same time, more buyers are there scouting the market and make a transition before next school season opens. I anticipate more activities in coming month in June and July before it gradually subsides as school season starts. Let me share with you the MLS data that shows you how many homes went above asking, how many homes sellers had to accept offer below their asking, and how many homes closed at the listed price. Out of 26 homes, 14 homes were sold below asking price, which is over 50% homes. That tells you the state of housing market in Dublin. Around 7 homes sold above asking, and 5 homes sold at asking, which is 100% of the asking price. If you are a buyer, you have many choices to compare. You can take your own time to make the best decision in terms of negotiation, finding the best home for you and your family. In many bidding, I'm also seeing increased usage of contingencies, financing contingency, or the appraisal contingency, and sellers are open to accepting offers with contingency. Something for you to keep in mind while preparing the bid. If you are a seller, you have to be very diligent on putting a price for the home. You have to be realistic. The first 2 weeks in the market are the most important weeks. Post that, the negotiation power begins to move toward the buyer. The pricing has to be absolutely close to the market price or maybe slightly below market price to encourage multiple bidding scenario. The home has to be marketed well, and the maintenance items, they have to be taken care of before homes are brought to the market. Anytime a home has a pending maintenance, buyer notes it's not move-in ready. Something to keep in mind. And in this tricky market, it's very important you align yourself, you work with a realtor who has helped many families upgrade to bigger home, larger home, and sell their homes. I would be happy to engage with you and chart out the best strategy to sell your home for top dollar in the shortest possible time and with the least stress. Reach out to me on the information given below. Now, there are a few opportunities for you and the friends to be a proud homeowner in East Dublin. I will walk you through some of the homes that are available to buy now and some opportunities which are coming up shortly. From left to right, 3910 Scotfield Street, Dublin. It's a 4 bed, 4 bath home. Excellent opportunity for first time home buyer. It's a large living area, highly upgraded, open view, privacy, no neighbor in the front. You have an obstructed view of hills. It's a gorgeous home. Reach out to me if you or somebody you know who is looking to make American dream come true. Few homes that I'm working with homeowners to bring to market in very near future. 4052 Knightstown Street, Dublin, in Iron Gate community. East facing, very bright, uh, corner lot, no neighbor on 3 sides. 5 bed, 4 bath, nearly 2950 square feet living, 2 car driveway. It's an amazing opportunity for somebody to upgrade in East Dublin. It's coming for $1.799 million. Reach out to me for more information or for a private showing. If you want to move to Boulevard community to be closer to the BART, maybe to be able to send your kid to upcoming Shamrock K280 school, the new listing is coming up soon at 5806 Silhouette Court, Dublin. It's a corner lot, north facing, 5 bed, 4 bath, nearly 2850 square feet living, and with an amazing views of mountains and Don Biddle Community Park. This home is in Boulevard community, which boasts resort-style community center with the swimming pool, with the conference center, lounge, working space, a party hall, everything. The community center is a big part of being a homeowner in Boulevard community. In Iron Gate community in East Dublin, a home is coming soon, single family home at 2857 Alliston Loop, Dublin. It's a corner home, very bright, well lit, 4 bed, 4 bath with two primary suites. It's a larger home with 2350 square feet living, zoned for Cottonwood Creek K280 school, which is just a walk for 5 minutes for a elementary and middle school kid. The steps from Fallon Sport Complex, a corner home, highly desirable. Reach out to me for more information. Another opportunity is in my own Iron Gate community. It's a north facing home, 4 bed, 3 bath, nearly 1800 square feet living space, highly upgraded. This home comes with upgraded garage, premium flooring. Reach out to me for more information on this home. Another opportunity is in Dublin Green, in Vineyard community at Swinford Court, Dublin. It's a west-facing home. It's a townhome style condo, 3 bed, 3 bath, nearly 1,565 square foot living. It's amazing views of from balcony and front. There is no neighbor. Steps to Emerald Wave, Emerald Glen Park, wave, sport activities. It's an amazing opportunity for a first-time home buyer. Reach out to me for more information or for private showing. Now, as I discussed in the beginning, I'm sharing one buyer tip to keep in mind. Anytime you don't see seller documents, which is seller property questionnaire or real estate transfer disclosure statement, RTDS, please put in seller document contingency. Please do not submit an offer without a contingency for seller documents. There could be many important information that could play a role in you making a decision to buy or not in those documents. Many times they are not part of disclosure package. Please insist with your agent to procure them or put it in an offer with invoked contingency. Seller tip is to market the home way before it hits the market. My seller tip for the month is that please meticulously take care of your front yard, because increased curb appeal often results into increased price for your home. Please put in a few rose plant, and especially in spring when flowers bloom, it magnifies the appeal for your home. Put in some yellow, white, pink, red roses in the front yard, maybe side yard, and see how buyers fall in love with your home and they submit an offer quickly. That's all in this episode. Let me know what you think. And I'm your local realtor, Dinesh Singh. Reach out to me on the information below to be able to help you upgrade your living and to be able to sell your home for highest dollar. Thank you so much, Dinesh. See you soon.